2018, just so you know, we have the new CPB Practice Exam, and we have a free practice exam on the cco.us website if you didn't know that. So absolutely take advantage of that. If you're getting ready to sit for a credential, you want to take as many practice exams as you can. Good news, we have the free one, but now we have an additional one, and it's a paid one, $29.95. Great price. So
any comments on that, Joanne? I know you were involved in looking over that, right?
Yeah, I was just going to say, Joanne really was the head of this, right?
Yeah, I did a lot of this, but Debbie Jones, I have to give her credit. She's been doing a lot of them as well. So I'm not sure if this one is my work or Debbie's, but I've reviewed Debbie's work, and it's phenomenal, and it really aligns with the AAPC exam. So I highly recommend it. You know, taking the exam myself, I know that it does align.
Now, just a shout out for Debbie. Debbie was one of our interns that we hired. She is phenomenal at writing test questions. And so she ultimately took Ruth's place. If you've been with us for a while, you remember us talking about Ruth. Just a little heads up, if you are a certified biller, as of 2017, the payscale.com is saying average pay over $57,000 a year. Okay, so if you're interested in getting that billing credential, absolutely come and take our free and paid practice exam. And of course, we have a course in the billing.
Do you need more medical certification training? Go to www.cco.us